How can I transform a shape in a line of reflection? Alright, look, you got a shape. Triangle ABC. And let's say you are given a line of reflection. Line L is your line of reflection. In order to transform a shape in a line of reflection, the first thing that you want to do is to take each vertex, and you can imagine it or you can draw a line. If you have a good imagination, you can imagine it. If you don't, you can draw a line perpendicular to the line of reflection through the point. And then you repeat that process for each vertex. From the point perpendicular to the line of reflection. And we'll do it one more time right here. And then the only thing you have to remember about reflection is that the points, the vertices, have to cross the line and be the same distance from the line. Meaning, if A is 7 units from the line of reflection, then A prime, let me try to get the same distance, then A prime is also 7 units from the line of reflection on a perpendicular. That's the process. So then point B would probably be around here, and after the reflection or after the transformation, it's B prime, and then you've got C and C prime. And then you connect your vertices again. And what you have is the original shape is called the pre-image. After the reflection, the shape is referred to as the image. Everybody all right with that? Now I'm going to do another one. You can just watch if you want. If your shape was maybe here and your line of reflection went through the shape. This is our line of reflection. Same process, right? Corresponding vertices cross the line of reflection, and when they cross it, they want to be the same distance away on the other side. So if my red marker, my red pen will work, if I start with point A, I go about to here with A prime, and B goes to about here to B prime, and C goes right about there and C prime. And then you connect your vertices. Okay? The only time that a point will not move is if it's on the line of reflection. It'll just stay where it is. So in the first part of your assignment today, you're going to be given the shape and the line of reflection. Second part of your assignment, you're going to be given the shape on a coordinate plane, and you're going to be told that the line of reflection is, and you're going to be given an equation. So let's get this written down. That all x equals lines are vertical through the value of x in the equation. So if you've got a coordinate plane, you're told that your line of reflection is x equals 5. X equals 5 is a vertical line through 5 on the x-axis. So here's your x equals 5. If you're told that your line of reflection is x equals -1, then it's a vertical line through -1 on the x-axis. Okay? So if that's true about x equals lines, what do you think is true about all y equals lines? What do you think they are? They're horizontal, good. And they're horizontal through the value of y in the equation. So if you're told that your line of reflection is y equals -2, it's going to be horizontal and it's going to go through -2 on the y-axis. So right about there. Y equals 1. You go to 1 on the y-axis and you go horizontal line through 1. Everybody okay with that? Alright, I want to show you 2 more lines, and then I'm going to give you some problems to practice. So draw another coordinate plane on your paper. Alright, put your pencil on the origin. And then take that quadrant 1 90-degree angle and just split it in half, going up and to the right. And the same thing going down and to the left. That is the equation of y equals x. That line has a positive slope of 1. It has a y-intercept of 0. And every y coordinate is the same as every x coordinate. Anywhere you go on the line, your x value and your y value will be the same. The other line you'll need will go same deal on the origin. Now we're going to go up and to the left and split that quadrant right in half, and down and to the right, splitting quadrant 4 in half. And the equation for that line is y equals negative x. That means all your y values are opposite of the x values. So if this blue point right here has a x value of negative 2, its y value is positive 2. If it has a x value of 5, then its y value is going to be negative 5. That's a slope of negative 1 through 0 on the y-axis. So you may see those as lines of reflection. Everybody okay with that information? So you're going to be given shapes, shown the line of reflection, and you're going to reflect the shape. Then you're going to be given shapes, and you're going to get the description of the line of reflection as an equation. An x equals 5, or a y equals 2, or a y equals x. And then you'll have to draw the line in on the coordinate plane and then reflect the shape. Good? Okay, you are page 627 today. (13 through 15 and 18 through 22). If you've got graph paper, please use it. If you don't, please make your drawings as neat as possible.